Welcome to CAD Concepts. Today we will explore the most prominent, most productive 20 powerful text implement. How you can directly enhance your text in AutoCAD 10x faster and highly productive. Okay, must watch out completely because this is deep learned understanding. You must have to give specific time for this complete tutorial. We'll explore one by one how we can directly enhance our text in AutoCAD. To proceed this method, must install YQArch plugin. I will add in description. You can simply download and you can proceed further. Well, must download YQArch Ultimate Guide. This book will explain each and every tools with facts and figure. And you are great welcome to join membership. You will get valuable insight over there. Project design 10x faster, list routines, blocks, and lot. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1. Batch text editor. As you see here, multiple text we have. I want to edit all in one time. Okay. Before we edit one by one. Now I want to edit all in one time. Okay. CED command. Select your entire text and let this here text file and let this edit. So you will get notepad. So what this mean exactly? Whatever you edit here, okay? For example, I am providing spacing and I am editing somewhere somehow, okay? So this is okay. Now what is going to affect exactly? The main thing, if you edit anything here, as you see here, we are editing all in one time, okay? Now if I will close this notepad, the same edited text will be saved in AutoCAD. As you see here, it got modified entirely. This way you can directly edit batch text in AutoCAD. Number 2, change text nature. This multiple text we have. Double T C command and select your entire text. I want to align, okay? And press A. Here to align these text, press A. What you have to do, just provide angle. So this is not basic rotation. This way you can align each text as you see here, particularly at a time. Same as it is this one also. First point, second point, your angle by pressing A, something like this. As you see here. Same again, all in one time. Let this press A, which is align, and provide angle. You can provide value also, or you can provide first point, second point. As you see here, in just one time, you are getting something like this. Same as it is, press E. Okay. And let this here. This way you can directly align. Select your text and let this here. As you see here, same as it is, this one also. First point by pressing E, first point, second point. As you see here, same as it is, select all and press E, first point, second point. So this way equally you can align in any angle just by dragging only. As you see here, same as it is, we want to specify. For example, I want to provide equal length. Again, we want to make this 0, 0 angle. Pressing A and straight to here. If you see here, we are getting something like this. Now I want to specify fixed distances. Every text equal distances. Okay. Whatever we are getting this text with equal distances. Okay. Select all, enter one time. Now press R. Exactly you provide here spacing. Okay. Let this here 2. Okay. Now you see here equal spacing for this text. You are getting something like this. Same as this one also. And let this here R. Press R and provide 2. And you are getting something like this. Same as this one also. Select all, enter. And provide here. Press R and value 2, 4. So equal spacing for irregular text, not in sequence order. You can rearrange properly in one time. Something like this. Same as this for all in one time equally. Select all, press R, and you see here This way you are getting in one time your text arrangement. Number 3. Match text style. We will match text style only. No color change, no angle change, no layer, nothing. Only text style. If you see these two text with different styles we have, these all I want to change into this. Okay. As much as text we have, without affecting its rotation, it is not like match property. It is completely different. Okay. I will take command SST. Click over the text which one you want to apply, the style. Select this one. Now just select all, enter one time. Now you see here, your color is there. Your related text position layers exactly as it is. Directly only style got changed. For this one also, just select all. Now you are getting this one. So as much as text style you have and you want to enhance, you want to change, you can simply change this way as you see here. Something like this in just one time. Number 4. Each rotate. This is not classic rotate as we get in default in AutoCAD. As you see here, these text we have, but I want rotate exactly horizontal. Okay. Only vertical text. Each text. It can be thousands of text, no problem. So simply select similar. So rotated text, we are getting this much. We have to rotate. Okay. ART command. And simply provide angle. Okay. As you see here, you are getting in one time. So this way directly you can rotate each text, which you cannot simply rotate by default rotate command. It is not just for text. You can rotate any object, any particular objects, multiple objects at a time, just by providing proper angle as per your requirements, something like this, as you see here. Number 5. Each scale. Same as it is. This multiple text we have. I want to scale each text bit more or bit less, but all in one time. Okay, let this select similar. This much text we have. I want to scale each with center point at a time. ASC command. As I selected, just press P, enter one time. Now what you have to do, just provide value. Let this here 1.1. Now you see here, we have provided 1.1 scale. Previous again, and let this here 0.25. Now you see here. So from center point, you can reduce your text. You can increase text height or decrease. As you see, let this 2 here. Now you see here. So directly for each text center to center, we are getting in one time. Same as it is. Let this previous and provide here 0.9, 0.8, whatever. So it will affect entirely over the text with center point. As always, it is not just for text only. You can do this thing with any object. If you see here, if you will scale default, so it will go all with center point. With a reference, it will go all. But if I will take ASC command and to the point, will scale each text at a time. As you see here, something like this. So this way directly you can scale any object, multiple object, center to center, something like this in just one time. Number 6. Collect string. This text we have. I want to collect all the text. Similarly, how much we are getting? Serial wise and total value in one time. Okay. For this complete text only. So simply double TQ command, select all. Okay. Enter one time. And let this here short mode. Smaller value, smaller to great or great to small. So these things you can customize as per your own. Okay. And click here. Serial number, total string and quantity. All in one time. So 11 serial numbers we have. balcony 8, bathroom 8. So whatever quantity we are getting, exactly we are getting in one time. This way directly you can take it out your string in one time. Number 7, Smart Finder. This trick so useful. I want to find particular text at a time. Okay, double TF command, and now provide here your text which one you want to find. Okay, so this thing you can place here. Let this bedroom. Okay, bedroom, bathroom, whatever you can let this here, and this thing you can customize. Let like layer name providing circle, color type, selection line. Okay, so let this untick these two line, no need, and let this full. Okay, select all, enter one time. Now you see here, so number of bedroom 8 we are getting, so it's highlighting with circle also and with lines also, and it got selected. So we are getting number of 8 bedroom separately, something like this as you see here. Same as this, we want to find out other relevant text as this, double TF command, and provide here your text. Okay, let this balcony. Okay, just select all, and you are getting number of 8 balcony text over the plan as you see here. So this way, as much as you want, you can directly find out your text with highlighted circle, and you are getting something like this as you see here. Same as it is, we want to find out other text. Let this bathroom, select all. Now you see here, you are getting number of 8 bathroom over here. So this way directly you can extract at a time something like this, your text with line and circle with a specific color, something like this as you see here. Number 8, arrange text table. As you see, this text we are getting in table, but not arrange in proper. Okay, I want to arrange center to center, left to right, BGZ command. Now let this center to center. Simply let this rotation angle tick. Okay, in case if any rotated text, it will align. Select all, enter. Now you are getting center to center every text over the table as you see here. Same as it is, I want to provide left to right. Let this left, select all, and enter. As you see here, you are getting left side. Same as it is, if you want to provide right side, let this right, and select all, enter. Now you see here, you are getting right side. So over the table, you want to arrange your text at a time. You can do this way simply. If you see this, we are getting rotated. I want to provide straight to 0 angle every text over the table at a time. Simply BGZ command, let this rotation angle tick. Okay. Now select all and enter one time. Now you see here, your text got aligned perfectly over the table at a time. Number 9, super explode. We have default explode in AutoCAD, and we will go super explode, and we'll see the major difference. Okay, so first we'll see default explode. Default explode, as you know, TXT which is text explode. Select your text, enter one time. This is our default explode. Same as it is, I want to provide super explode, double TX command, and let this select all. Now you are getting difference. We will take a closer look. If you see here, there is some line and there is a splitting area. So you are getting multiple segments, not as smooth as expected. Each and every point you are getting differently as you see here. Now super explode, YQArch plugin explode. Now you see here, you are getting sharpenly, smoother, more than expected as you see here. So this way you can directly super explode by double TX command. Number 10, super break. Each character I want to break, text character entirely at a time. Okay, I want to split every letter, double T double B command, and just simply select all, enter one time, and when you will enter, you will see the result. Each text got split separately in one time, as you see here. This way you can directly split your text. Now you see here, as much as text we have selected, we are getting at a time, something like this. Number 11, join text. Well, I want to join these text. If we have separate text, double TJ command, select your text, enter. Now you see here. Double TJ command, select your text. Now you see here. So this way you can simply join your split text, your each character into one, something like this. Number 12, change text width, only width. Okay, width I want to change, double T W command, and let this here width. Okay, provide here width factor. Okay, click over the text. Now you see here it got stretch, something like this, same as this. Click over the text, provide value here, and click over the text, same as this one also, as you see here. So this way you can customize your text width. So this thing you can use any fixed area you want to stretch your text. So this way you can directly do something like this, as you see here. Number 13, text increment. I want to increase each text separately, 1, 2, 3, 4 command, and let this here array mode setting. Okay, start from any string. You can customize these things from here. Array, increment, step increment, one only. Okay, and just select your text. Okay, and let this here, as you see here, you are getting something like this. Each text got increase separately with one increment, same as this. I want to increase number of 2 or number of 3, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 command, and provide here increment 2 or 3. Okay, now you see we have provided 3, so it got 3 increment every step. So this way directly you can increase your text with exact step increment by text at a time, something like this, as you see here. Number 14, text attribute. I want to transform text to attribute or attribute to text. If you see here, this attributes we are getting. If you want to edit, you have to go one by one, and if you will explode, this will not apply. So how to edit? Simply in normal text, this attribute we are getting. If you see here, every attribute I want to convert into simple text, double TSX command. Okay, and let this here text. Okay, just select all, enter one time. Now you see here it got transformed into simple text. Now you can directly edit over the screen. So this is not attribute, we have converted attribute to text, something like this. Same as this, we want to reverse. Now let this attribute, now it will come text to attribute, as you see here. If I will click over the text, now we are getting attribute. So this way you can simply edit, you can simply transform the text into attribute, something like this. Number 15, Miror Restored. If you see here, text mirror we are getting. So this thing you can face when you switch UCS. In case if you find, then how you will resolve. This thing so useful. If you see here, I want to switch into simple UCS straight to X and straight to Y. But the problem is we are getting differently. Okay, so how you will resolve? Simply how we restored, double T double R command, and let this here setting, it can be blocked. Okay, so this thing you can customize from here. Okay, just select all, enter one time, and when you will enter, you see here it got restored simply. Before we are getting like this, and I want to transform I want to restore mirror properly. Select all, enter. So this way you can switch your text into normal. Number 16, area text. If you see this P line we have and this text we have, I want to override this P line area over the text. Simply PMJ command and click over the P line and click over the text. This way you can override. Same as it is this one also. As you see here. Same as it is this one also. So directly you can override your close P line area over the text. Number 17, input text. If you see this text file we have outside folder, I want to input in one time. Okay. CTT command. Let this here located file, text file. Okay. First point, second point, your scale. You see here. This way directly you can place your output text in AutoCAD simply. Same as this CTT command. Locate your file. Okay. And provide scale. You are getting properly in one time. You can provide angle also. So multiple text you have and you want to insert, you can insert this way at a time. Number 18, switch text style. I want to switch quickly, not to go property, TU command. So these are the styles you are getting over here. Let this YQ dimension, select all. Now you see here it got switch with different style as much as you have directly. In default you have to go property and then you have to select and then you have to customize. Directly you can do from here simply something like this. If you see here it got changed. Number 19, batch align. I want to align this text straightward, okay, in different proportion. Simply let this DQ command and come to your setting and let this here select your text and first point, second point. As you see here, center to center it got align. It can be your text, it can be any object. Same as this one also. Let this DQ command, setting, and let this here select your text first point and second point. Equally center to center got align. If you have tapered area, for example, we have to align over here equally. DQ command, select your text and first point and second point. Now you see here you are getting your text aligned perfectly over the area at a time. Number 20, text to Excel. I want to export this table into Excel sheet in one time. Okay. T2E command, setting. You are getting Word file and Excel file. Output to Excel. Okay. Select all and enter one time. If you see here, it is transforming into Excel sheet you are getting over here. So this way directly you can export your Excel sheet from AutoCAD. Something like this. As you see here, each and every point you are getting in one time. As much as table you have, you will get something like this. I hope you got these 20 powerful text implementer helpful. Much practice and time. Definitely you will get space where to utilize these tips and tricks in your work frame. This will lead you to 10x faster productivity as compared before. To proceed this method, must install YQArch plugin. I will add in description. You can simply download. Must download YQArch Ultimate Guide. This book will explain each commands with facts and figure. And you are great welcome to join membership. Definitely this will be a kind of support and you will get valuable insight over there. Project design, list routines, blocks and lot. I hope you got these powerful tips and tricks helpful. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, leave your comments. Definitely I will reply your query as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.